welcome back to my channel. The industry will hate me for this because if you here with me and stay with me, you will learn how to make money free of cost. There is no courses, there is nothing to sell, and you will learn it for free. First of all, I will do my trade breakdown because if you understand my trading, then you can copy it and print it on your own chart. This is it simple. Okay, the first step I'm doing is economic calendar. Monday, there is no high impact news driver, no trade. 100% sure, class. Tuesday, there is no high impact news driver. Yes, there is low probability, but you can take the trade, and we take the trade at Tuesday 2026. You got it? Okay, so economic calendar environmental selection is finished. Now we will come to our steps. What step we need to follow for this specific trading model or for this specific trading, because no one will tell you, so stick with me. Everything will be based around accumulation, manipulation and distribution. The step we will follow: order flow, point of interest, time of interest, SMT, quarter sequence, change in state of delivery. Point of interest and SMT sometime matches, because if you don't have PD arrays which will work as a point of interest for you, then you can take it SMT is your point of interest. Got it? So first step, order flow. Either we are bullish or bearish. We are bullish. Expansion, retracement. You can understand it from price, from time. If you see the previous cycles, it is broke 100%. So if a previous cycle is broke with the speed and velocity, it is bullish to the upside, and if it is to the downside, then it is bearish. Point of interest. In this case, when we are at all-time high, we don't have any point of interest, but we have time of interest. What is our time of interest for New York AM? 9 to 10:30. And then what is specific? XX45 to XX15. Got it? On daily time frame, you will study the data between the months. You understand my point? You will not study a random data. Okay. Then we will go to the 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, you will study the data between the weeks. Okay, this is a monthly cycle. So what is happened in the last weeks? If you do not know your last weeks, you will never trade like me. This is for sure. Week 1 is just continuation of the previous cycle move, so it is X. Week 2 is accumulation, week 3 is manipulation, and week 4 is distribution. Distribution starts somewhere here, and week 4 is following it. So what is our run liquidity, or what is the order flow? The order flow is completely bullish. Daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we study the data between the weeks. You got it? Okay. 1-hour time frame. Why I write accumulation, manipulation at the top? Why? What is the reason? What is the reason for this? The reason for this is every time frame I am going down, I am study accumulation, manipulation and following these steps. Got it? Okay. On 1-hour time frame, CFD data. Monday is accumulation for me. Tuesday is a manipulation for me. We open and we coming down, and this is the exact sequence of manipulation. You got my point. You need to be clear and you need to trust me, because if you do not trust me, you will waste your time. You got your point. Okay, so what's happened on Tuesday? We got down, so it is a manipulation. What we are waiting? We are exact bullish, so we will wait manipulation to the downside. If there is no manipulation, there is no trade. You got my point. 100% clear. But we will wait manipulation in specific time of interest. This is one of the most important thing you need to understand. Okay, right. Why I'm making this thing in the other languages? The main reason is there is a lot of audience complaining about language, so I want to make it journal. But yes, we can touch some specific Asian language also, no issue for you. Okay, so time of interest, XX 45 to XX 15, and specifically 9 to 10:30 for New York AM. So usually we will work New York AM, so we will stay here. Okay, on Tuesday we come down. This is manipulation. What we will wait? We will wait for the crack. SMT, no point of interest, so SMT will work as a point of interest. Okay, got it. Is there is any crack on 1 hour time frame? Yes. The point I am taking trade is here. Is there any crack between ES and NQ? No. But there is a crack between the NQ and Dow YM. Okay. You will study this and this. You will study this in the raw data of Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So there is 1 hour time frame crack. Got it? 100%. Okay. First stage clear. We will wait for the second stage. 15-minute time frame. Now we are in 15-minute time frame. What you will do in 15-minute time frame? You will study the session. What you will study? You will study accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or X accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then you will wait for the crack. You got my point. Okay. Asia, just following the previous trend. London accumulation, exact accumulation. So when there is a London accumulation, we know for sure, like in New York AM, there will be a trade. If it is a non-bank holiday day, so it is non-bank holiday day, I show you environmental selection. You need to also go there and check it. Okay. London, we mark our low. Previous day we mark our low. And ES, 15-minute time frame, we got our London low. How you will know? Let's go. If you zoom it here, take it. Why it is important? It is important because you point the crack, but you see it on the raw data. What is the raw data? Chicago Mercantile Exchange data. Got it? 100%. Okay. So NQ not manipulated like the ES on the 15-minute time frame, but it is manipulated on 1 hour time. 1 hour time frame, there is a crack. There is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. 15-minute time frame, there is a crack. There is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now let's go to 5-minute time frame. In 5-minute time frame, you will study the data between the sessions Q1, Q2, Q3. What is accumulation? What is manipulation? What is distribution? Q1 just following the previous trend. Q2 accumulated. Q3 manipulated. You will confirm your manipulation always by crack. What is the crack? SMT. You got my point? Okay. So what's here? 90-minute cycle, 5-minute time frame. You study it. Q2 accumulation, Q3 manipulation, and distribution started. Okay. So what you will wait? You will go to a 1-minute time frame. What is the last step? You remember it? Last step is sequence, quarter sequence, and then change in state of delivery. The low is here, exact low, but I take the trade here. Why? Because the quarter sequence is not aligned yet. I think you got my point. This is the change in state of delivery. If the previous cycle low is cut by a candle which has imbalance and then rebalance in the market finds support there, it is a complete change in state of delivery, and no one will tell you about this. Mark my words. So I take the trade, I hold it, the data points which I have. I don't have any higher data points here, so I don't have any other higher data points. So I take it trade up to here. It is almost 23 minutes. I remember it. So it is almost 23 minutes. I hold it and I make almost 11,000 from this. And you can also make simple strategy, simple thing. You will not manipulate your mind by either traders on YouTube. Okay, simple accumulation, manipulation, distribution is your core content, and then the steps you need to follow: order flow, point of interest, time of interest, SSMT, quarter sequence, change in state of delivery. So I hope you find something from this lecture, and Allah knows we will meet another time. Hand to head salute.